Welcome back, guys. I hope you're doing well. Um, we are back here at Silence is Gold Hobbies. And I am Golden and have quite a few channels, so go look at the links below. But today we are doing an unboxing. Now, I saw this keyboard. I don't know where I saw it or how I first saw it, but when I first saw it, I got super excited about it. Not because I was really into it, but because I just fell in love with the look of it. Layout was different, it was fresh and innovative, and I wanted it. I wanted it, guys. I really wanted it. Problem is, it was way beyond my price range. And I think on the site on Amazon it was $130, and on the company site it was a little higher. Um So it was on sale for a hot second on Amazon. So I got it. It's still out of my price range. My pre-builds are usually $70 or under. Uh, $70 because I have a coupon or they're on sale or that's their price range. Um, well, let's do this unboxing. Now, I'm going to tell you a few things. I like a mechanical keyboard. I like listening to a mechanical keyboard. I like the typing. I like the thing. I like a mechanical keyboard. And that usually means big, chunky keycaps. I'm afraid to type on this. The last time I pushed one of those buttons down, I ended up. What? Let's do that. I like I like the sound of a keyboard. I like when I push a button, I like to know that that button is pushed. And I am not a fan of low profile keyboards because in my head, a low profile keyboard means one of those little inexpensive membrane keyboards that your company hands out to you because, well, hey, slide and bring this up. Now, what I'm about to show you is a mechanical keyboard, but it is also low profile. Now, I'm going to pause this for a hot second here. Sorry about that. And this is it. Okay. It is KSI-Wombat Willow Pro. Boop. Had to boop it. Boop. Okay. Um, got a little beat up in transit here. Let's not do it. Let's do it this way. Oh, but there went the phone. All right. Okay, so here we go. Oh, you know what? Yep, there it is. So this is a Willow Pro. It's a 102 key layout. Supports a Mac, RF and Bluetooth 5.0, and USB. Uh, that's the battery. Have no idea what that translates into hours. PBT die, some whatever keycaps, and RGB, which I always say wrong. I always say RBG. I don't know why, but RGB backlit. Let's do this. And okay. You can see we have a thank you note. Got some codes on it. We have telling us what the status is and toggle between Mac and Windows. We'll look at that later. We'll look at that later. Let's look at the accessories first. You did see what I was looking at. Sorry, I keep forgetting that it's paperwork. And a thank you. Isn't that sweet of them? So, here is, oh, here we go. we get what we get. We get one keyboard. We get a USB-A to C adapter. Kind of cool that we're getting adapters for it. We get a C to A. Oh, wait. I guess this is the other way around. So C to A. No. Yeah. A to C. I don't know why that was difficult for me, but it was. And now it was complicated, and I don't want to go into it. And, of course, we get the little dongle for wireless. I actually think this is really nice with the adapters. I like that a lot. And we get a cord. We get the keycap puller, which you get in every keyboard you get that's hot swappable. And you get them sometimes when they're not hot swappable. But can I ever find one when I need one? No, I can't. I even bought them for myself. And never can find one. Never, ever. And we get the Apple keys, the Mac keys. Okay. Keys away. Put them over the desk. I almost lost one. Ta-da! It's done. Okay. This out of the... And let's slip this baby out. Whoops. Guys, look at that. Isn't she pretty? Look at her. She's so pretty. Now, I'm not a big fan of low profile, but this is a mechanical low profile, and I think I'm going to enjoy it. It's not my favorite sound. Definitely. It's got a nice feel to it, though. I gotta admit, the keys have a nice feel, except there is big time... Sitting here, don't look at that. That was kind of funny looking. There is a key wobble. So I don't... No, you're on there. Got a slight variation. If you can... with the N, the B, there seems like a little rise in the key. It's really thin. Here, let's see if I can show you. It's very, very thin. And don't know if you can see it, but right along here, you can tell the little difference on the key levels. And there's a little bit of a slant to that. Going backwards, this one, but that's okay. Ooh, that's a harsh sound. I like the layout. That's what actually attracted me to this in the beginning, is the layout. It's so different. You get the normal... What? Sorry, I have a little bit a fruit fly or something here bothering me. So here. Let's see. Go back to this one. We have this layout. Function keys, number keys, and regular. The regular key. Have the inserts and stuff over here off to the right. We have these here. They're kind of out of the way because you don't use them that much. So you flip them off to the side. If it was a full keyboard, which I do not have one available to me right now, you you have a number pad right over here. Kind of takes up the whole space. It has a couple of things, you know, up here maybe, but it's off to the right, or they're now making them on the left, which I do not have because my left hand is basically useless. I can't type, draw. I could barely tie my shoes. My left hand, I have no dexterity at all in. But that's a normal layout. I have a full here, but not slightly different. But you see what I'm saying? Normally this is off. There's a space in here, and the home delete stuff is in the middle, and there's a space. We have that, and then sorry about that, guys. And then you have the keyboard, the thing. This is a normal layout. This is what we all know. We don't mess around a lot with the layout. There is different variations on the layout of these keys, the alphabet key. There is sometimes a different layout for those. Those are really hard to get used to. We take keys away, we add keys in, but we don't necessarily change the layout. And this is changed up, and I kind of fell in love with it because of that. It's smooth, it's sleek. I really am enjoying it. I have an issue with this here. I really liked it here when I was looking at it, but now that I'm thinking about it, I'm not going to like the number pad up here because of this. At work, I have to 10 key a lot, and so I have a tendency to rest my palm down, and I'm going to be resting them on here, and that's not good. I like this a lot. I feel like there's a bow to it. I can't see if it really is there. By the way, that's what the one side looks like. We have the Macs and Windows. We're on Windows, obviously. On, off. The the C. Oh, hey, look at that. We have a ruler. I don't know if you can see that. We have a ruler on the back. And a little place for the dongle, which I like a lot. I have one keyboard, and it wasn't the keyboard I was thinking about, but I have one keyboard that's wireless that the dongle is loose. I have no place for it. So if I want to go anywhere with it, and it's meant to go with, you're good. I don't know what to do. The dongle, you get lost. I don't know what to do with it. But look, what do you think, guys? So, yes, I can't type, so I'm not even going to try. Not a big fan of the sound. That key rattle really is making a difference. Now, that one doesn't have a lot of a key rattle. That one does. So what do you think? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I am going to test it out. It's definitely not a gaming keyboard. I'm thinking I might take it to work and use it there because it is definitely a function keyboard. We have, oh look, we have these. I don't know what those are. I'm not a big typist or use them, but I guess those are the micro things, macros. I'm going to figure that out. I'm going to figure it all out. We're all going to figure it all out later. Okay, let me know what you think of it down below. Once again, it is this up so you can see it. It is a KSI-Wombat Willow Pro. Love it. Fell in love with it the first time I saw it. Don't know if I'm going to love it to use it, but looking at it, I'm in love with it. And I got to boop it again. Boop. All right, guys. Thank you for joining us, and you have a wonderful day or night or whatever it is, wherever you're at. And we'll have a good one, okay? Oh, and I forgot to tell you, definitely not sponsored, guys. Definitely not sponsored. They don't even know I existed. All paid for with my own money. I don't know why I told you that. I just so you know. But y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.